Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LlamaIndex tooling from Python. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall LlamaIndex tooling from Python, begin by opening your terminal or command prompt. If you're using Windows, search for CMD in the Start menu and select Command Prompt. For Mac OS or Linux, search for Terminal in your applications. Once your terminal is open, check if LlamaIndex is installed by typing pip show LlamaIndex. Press Enter, and if LlamaIndex is installed, you will see its details listed. To uninstall LlamaIndex, type pip uninstall LlamaIndex. Press Enter to execute the command. You will be prompted to confirm the uninstallation. Type Y for yes and hit Enter. The uninstallation process will begin, and you should see a message indicating that LlamaIndex has been successfully uninstalled. To verify the uninstallation, type pip show LlamaIndex again. Press Enter, and if LlamaIndex is no longer installed, you will see no information displayed. If you wish to remove any additional dependencies associated with LlamaIndex, consider using pip-auto-remove. To install pip-auto-remove, type pip install pip-auto-remove and press Enter. After installation, run pip-auto-remove LlamaIndex to clean up remaining packages. Follow any prompts that appear during this process. Once complete, you have successfully uninstalled LlamaIndex tooling from Python. Double-check your setup to ensure everything is functioning as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.